One of the biggest mistakes teens and tweens make with their skincare is using too many products. They're often layering products and combining serums and making skincare smoothies without checking that the ingredients can interact together. I'm Sigourney, I'm a content creator, founder of Beauty Kate, and I've been a beauty and health journalist for over 22 years. I receive so many DMs from concerned mums whose kids are spending a bomb on really fancy skincare. A lot of them have developed sensitivity and reactions from using serums that interacted with each other or that were just simply too mature for their skin. Here are some no-no combos. Retinoids and AHAs or BHAs. Retinoids and benzoyl peroxide. Niacinamide is another ingredient that shouldn't be mixed with AHAs and BHAs. You also have to be careful with niacinamide and vitamin C. Be careful with vitamin C because it can cause sensitivity or it can make acneic skin more reactive. I'm now offering online coaching and classes for teens and tweens to set them up with incredible skincare routines for life. So here are the basics that teens and tweens need. You need a great sunscreen, one that they enjoy using. This is key. They also need a hard-working cleanser, some hydration in the form of a serum or a moisturizer, and then they can go into treatments if they have acne or breakouts. I've created a teen and tween shopping list on LTK, and I'll be doing my best edits from Mecca and Sephora soon. So follow me and stay tuned for more education on skincare and teens.